Wala, Richard ko.
Ayan. Hello, kami ay nandito na naman sa Terminal 3 dahil pupunta kami na Singapore. So, pupunta na kami sa check-in counter and it's currently, ano ba? 9? I think 9:20. Ayan, ang birthday boy tomorrow.
Manab yung camera mo?
Ito, 1 carry na lang. Hindi na ayos yan. Kasha yan. Tatanggalin mo yung laman. Tatanggalin. Yan, bag drop na kami. Dito na kami punta sa immigration. Ano yan?
Sago?
Anong sabi kanina?
Wala.
Hindi, yun doon sa bag mo. Han, kwento mo, dali. Bilis na yun. Hindi tayo pumila sa travel tax kasi nag-buy na tayo online. Tapos ang bilis sa check-in counter. Diretso na yung bag drop. Tapos dito sa immigration. So, nandun na yung Herschel niya. Nilagay na doon sa walang laman. Han, let's go to the airline lounge as usual. So, pupunta kami na ang lounge. Boarding gate. Punta na kami sa aming boarding gate. Anong number ng boarding gate natin? Ito, sa baba, 105. Ayan. So, papunta na kami ulit sa aming boarding gate. Tingin.
So, sa kayo mag-birthday.
Sina?
Sabi sa akin sa inyo. Sa kayo mag-birthday. Sabi ko doon ng
binati ka.
Tapos binati ako.
Happy birthday, punta na tayo sa boarding gate 104.
Pacific Flight 5J805. So please proceed now at boarding gate 104 and stand by for your flight's boarding announcement.
Dahil group ka ngayon.
Ang dami mo alam?
This flight is not full. However, an authorized transferring of seat is not allowed at this time.
Hello, pilot is Nathan Alarcon. Sorry. You also have
Maabutan natin.
attending to wrongs. Takeoff. We'll be taking off runway 24. That's on the other side of this complex, which should give us a shorter departure route straight out to our destination. It will take about 25 minutes from takeoff to reach our cruising altitude of 36,000 feet. That is on a continuous climb, traffic permitting. And takeoff to landing, about 3 hours 15 to 3 hours 20 minutes. Again, depending on traffic conditions over at Singapore. I hope you're comfortable with the cabin temperature at 22 degrees Celsius. Over at Singapore, the latest weather report about an hour ago, 26 degrees Celsius outside temperature, and slight winds from the west. I will update you later on before we descend for landing. In the meantime, just sit back and relax. Your attention and cooperation on pronouncements and instructions. Your safety and comfort, our utmost priority.
3 hours and 15 minutes. Ang likod na ito ay pinangungunahan ni Kapitan Luis Cuadrado Aquino sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Nathan Adriel Alarcon at tayo lilipad ng higit kumulang na 3 oras at 15 minuto. At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew.
Temperature. Also light rain over the airport now. We should be clearing this weather in a couple of minutes. Conditions permitting, we'll be able to switch off the seatbelt sign at least for a moment. Traffic and weather permitting, we will touch down Singapore Airport at 4:45 this afternoon. Thank you for choosing to travel with us, and we look forward to seeing you all again in one of our future flights. May you all have a pleasant stay in Singapore as well as any other point of destination. Thank you and happy landing to everyone.
International Airport in Singapore. The local time now is 4:56 p.m. and there is no time difference between Manila, Philippines and Singapore. Ground temperature is at 25 degrees Celsius. For your and lubricant in terms of the fasten seatbelt sign, please check your surroundings to make sure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins as heavy items may move during the flight. Mangyari po lang na nanatiling nakaupo at hindi palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit pang pinagbabawal. For guests with infant, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Please handle our con together with your cabin crew. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. Truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Nakalapag na kami sa Singapore. Ito, ang aking asawa. First time ito.
Anong mayabi yung mga?
Hindi naka-front ka. Han! Welcome to Changi! Airport. Kunin natin sa number 6 ang ating baggage. This is the Terminal 4. Nandiyan Terminal 4. Malawak din ang Terminal 4 nila. Hello! Kukunin na namin yung aming SIM card. Para siyang Korea. Hindi yan. Mag-withdraw tayo doon mamaya. Han, nasan ka? Oo. Oh, may sus coffee dito. Han. Ngayon ko lang ito napansin. May sus coffee. Dito. Ayan o. Ito o. NCR o. Medyo mabagal siya.
Mas macam.
Eight.
400.
Grabe, 8 SGD yung charge. 8 SGD na charge. Bilang natin.
Dito tayo.
Ito ang aming pera. Upo tayo dun.
Dito na lang.
Ha?
Dito na lang kasi.
Ayan po. May naghahalongkat na po ng bag. Sa pocket wifi. Ang galing. Ang ganda nito. Ang bilis lang natin, no? Ayun, no, may sus coffee. Nasa Terminal 4 kami. Ito ang aking walking Google Man. Kasi sabi ko, babayaan ko siyang maghanap ng direksyon para feel niya yung first time dito sa Singapore. Although maliligaw din naman ako. Kasi may service naman kami datihan. Pero yung sa MRT, madali na lang yun. Ayan, hinihintay lang namin ang aming bus ride. Balitaan ko kayo mamaya. Ngayon ay, anong oras na? 6:23 na. O, diba? Maliwanag pa. Tingnan nyo. Maliwanag pa. Mambun lang kanina. Village Hotel Bugis. We just arrived sa aming hotel. Tara! It's nice to be back. Second. Third.
Sinalubong tayo sa ano, Lisol. Diba? Sinalubong tayo sa Lisol. Tapos ano. Ano ka mag-flash? Mother ko.
Floor. Let's go to the 19th floor. Hi. Hi.
Lowex lang yan.
Ay. Ano yun? 19 na to? 19. Alita. Old me. Sabi ko. So this. We have this. Pero ipakombine na lang natin. May TV. Ano view? Ang view natin yung Sultan Mosque. Oh, diba? Oh, hi, may bathtub! Oh! Ayun yung Value Dollar.